GMA News Online.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, how do you respond to the drug use accusations made by no less than your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, against you and the First Family? Sir, were you hurt by her accusations, and how do you explain these claims to the public?
It's anathema to me to talk about family matters generally in public. I do not like to. We do not like to show our dirty linen in public. I'll just say this much. For a while now, we've been very worried about my sister. When I say we, I'm talking about friends and family. And the reason that is because the lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister. And that view is shared by our cousins, our friends. Hindi siya yan. Hindi siya yan. So that's why we worry. So we are very worried about her. I hope she feels better soon.
Sir, quick follow-up lang po. Nagkausap na po ba kayo, sir? Or do you intend to talk to your sister?
We don't really, we no longer travel in the same circles, political or otherwise. So no.